What's up, everybody? I'm still around and still filming a little bit of stuff. A little bit of a rushed video today, especially for the start, because it is 5:16 and qualifying has already started for the Streetcar Takeover event that is right there at Bristol Motorspeedway. Man, I timed that really good, like with the talking and the track being right around the corner. That was nice. Maybe I still know how to do this stuff. So we've got to throw SoccerMom out of the trailer and get hey, can you watch that to see where we need to go? Throw SoccerMom out of the trailer, get the tech, get all my stuff in, load a tune-up in, and see if we can go fast. Yeah, here we go. All right, well, we made it. Now let's see if we can get everything unloaded. Had to undo the parachute to even get the car in the trailer. Did I get it? Nope. God, I need new locks on my trailer. Yay, there's still a car in the trailer. All right, well, time for us to get to work. All right, well, we are rolling in record time. So got ourselves unloaded. There's the cleaner crew. And I think we are, I need to make sure I brought my tech card stuff. So let me see if I can get that taken care of, but hopefully we're about to make a run. All right, well, I'm in the car. We're gonna see what happens here. Didn't get time to get cameras on the car, but I'm gonna give this camera to my dad, so it'll be an outside video of at least the GoPro. But yeah, I'm getting the rest of myself buckled in here. Got her cooled down, and we'll see if this thing goes down. The track is not very good, not very good at all. So I have very much detuned it. But as we were getting loaded up, they said they were doing a Danger Ranger drag race as well. So I'm letting Eddy, there's Eddy, so Eddy's gonna drive the Danger Ranger in the Danger Ranger race. So yeah, that's kind of cool. But let's go see if I can hopefully make a run where I'm not spinning all over the track. Yeah, here we go. I don't know if you could tell from the outside camera, but that was stupid sketchy. But now it's Eddy's turn, so we're gonna set the tire pressures, and then we'll let him go make a run. Eddy, can you handle this monster?
Oh, I can handle it.
Oh yeah, we don't have our windscreen in yet.
No, we don't. It's fine.
You definitely put the visor down.
I will. Even just driving up here, I was getting stuff in my eye.
Yeah. All right, well, we got his tire pressure set. Yeah. You still running?
Yeah.
This thing's so quiet.
Oh yeah, she's running.
Yeah, it's super cold, so
yeah.
We need to go fill this thing up with gas tonight too.
Yeah.
So, all right, well, let's go see what Eddy can do. Light him up! Floor it! Ah, floor it! Not bad, not bad.
Here are our staging lane assignments as we go into eliminations. No time in 11. Oh, she's
Rocket ship. All right, well, we pulled our chips. I've got that Mustang over there. I don't know if we can see it or not. Yeah, that really fast looking Mustang. So hopefully this thing goes down. I'm hoping I can do a burnout this time, hoping the thing bumps in this time. So it was out of my normal range of tuning where I was trying to bump in, like, because I did a really low RPM just to try to get it in the beams. I didn't go back up there and look at the track, which it sounds like it's gotten a little bit better, but I guess we'll have to see. I gotta go. Hopefully the roof camera stayed down before the finish line because he was moving all around and it was sketchy. But I actually went a 767, I don't know if you can see that, to his 768, but he was sideways. He went a little quicker to 60 foot and treed me. We were both super soft, pretty close at 330, and then you can see 164 miles an hour. He started running away to my 151. And then he got sideways and lifted, and then it was 0.031 at the finish line. Maybe the most sketchy drag race I have ever had in my life. But we're all good. SoccerMom is good. It did throw the belt off of it here in the lanes. I put it up on the two-step just to make sure it would get there. And it shook the alternator belt off of it. Or maybe it was off from the pass before and I just didn't catch it. So we've got her back there charging. I think we get to go around again. Not 100% sure, but maybe we get another pass. But right now it's Eddy's turn for round one. Wow! Let's see if Eddy can redeem himself on the burnout.
No, sir. 1843 for the machine in the left lane. 1873 for Ty in the right lane. No losers bracket here. When you lose, you go back to the track.
Come on, Eddy, get him. Oh, he's up. Oh, he's up. Oh, he's spinning. Woo! Wow, this is a really long drag race.
Small tire. Second chance, small tire. We need you back to the lane.
Woo! All right, well, round two or round one of the second chance race, because we were first round losers, got beat on the tree. Oh well. So we're running this here Cadillac. Second round, I had a boost line blow off at 7 seconds, so might have had a chance to actually beat that guy, but 187 miles an hour on only 24 pounds of boost. So pretty, that's pretty exciting. Let's see if we can go get another one.
So we're racing Zach and his, oh yeah. I'm really scared. I'm really scared right now. So I'm all strapped in. We're in the lanes. Gonna get my helmet on. We're gonna go see if I can give this guy the Gapperoni and cheese. We good?
Needs more gear. More wheel speed.
Just watching the show. Oh, Kevin's kids bring the truck. That's pretty cool. Hey, guy.
All right, Eddie versus Zach. Who's got the tree?
KSR went into that truck down there. That's a cool story. It's always good to get the kids involved. You got a kid involved.
Oh, Zach on the tree. I think Eddie's got this. Oh, I hear him pedaling him.
About ready to stop at the top.
All right, so we did chips again for second round, third round. I don't know what round it is, but of the second chance race into the finals, and I got the bye run. So I'll be in the finals of the second chance race, which is good. Eddie's in the finals of his class.
Yeah.
Hey, we're both in the finals. Woo! Woo!
Well, mine's a winner final, yours is a loser's final.
Oh,
So that's different.
Wow. Yeah, he just went there. So we fixed the alternator belt, and I tried the bump in the pits. So I'm gonna try the bump again here, and then I'm gonna just back out of the beams because I don't have to go down the racetrack. So I'm gonna try the bump, see if it'll stage, maybe do a little burnout, just so I don't drag any water up to the racetrack or the starting line. And then we will do this again for the finals. So we're up for the finals. I actually got 3 cars in the finals. Let's say there's 3 because Mullet's in his final up there getting ready to run. I'm in mine, and then Eddie's in his in the truck. Woo! All right, Eddie's gonna go take you and film Mullet, and then I'm gonna go strap into this thing.
Jeremy Sparks on the runway, and that good looking Fox body taking over Mullet. Moving on to Lucas and Farland. Coming over Sparks on the runway, we'll see them tonight. 6 bars on the back window. Us experts on the window. Out of Tennessee. Looks like a Grand Sport Corvette.
.771 with a 5 at 184.
The kids painted this truck, good to get those involved. Always good to see them. Follow KSR Fab on YouTube. They do some cool stuff. They build some really neat cars, road racing, drag racing, everything in between. Check them out.
Come on, Eddy.
KSR truck takes the win. And you close your eyes and
Attaboy, Eddy. All right, so that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Hopefully I actually get this thing edited up and get it put on the YouTubes and you guys are watching it. So our little Texas Speed 388 made it to the finals and won the second chance race. So better than just going home with no money, I actually come home with a little bit of money today. So that's cool. Big thanks to everybody that helps us out with this thing. Got Mickey Thompson wheels and tires on the car, especially their rear tires. We love those suckers. And APHIS fuel injectors, VP Racing Fuels, Go Lithium batteries, Gear Vendors Overdrive, Circle D converters, TRZ Motorsports for all the suspension stuff, and Texas Speed and Performance. Like, it's been an absolute fun day. So let's get this thing loaded up in the box. We'll see you guys in tomorrow's Danger Ranger video. Woohoo!